KULR Stock Analysis. This is for Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? Covering all that in the next 1 minute video, so watch till the end. Looking at KULR Technology, I saw a decent increase in price today, which is actually in the plans and in the works. Finally starting to see some breaks up, and I can finally start to shift my attitude towards this, like it was before. You can see that I've made videos on this since it was sitting at 28 cents, and this was 4 months back, 29th of October. And since then, bro, it just delivered quite crazy. Obviously on the road up, I've gotten 2 losses, which is totally fair and normal part of the game. And the only thing that I'm looking to do right here is still buy. But since I saw this shift, I'm actually more comfortable with doing this. And I'm going to kind of ignore the higher time frame structure, because lower time frame, if I see my confirmations met, then there's quite frankly nothing stopping me. So if I see a little confirmation, like correction and then a shift, then we're kind of speaking and talking. Other than that, everything else is pure noise. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. That's a free newsletter.